I'm preheating my oven to 170 degrees. I've got all of my ingredients out ready to cook. I have a sort of a wide pan. If I was cooking this for 4 to 6 people, I would do it in a shallow, wide pan that can go in the oven. This quantity I'm making is for 2 to 3 people. There will definitely be leftovers. I'm going to start by putting in about a tablespoon of olive oil. I've got 2 chorizo. I'm not Spanish. Which I've removed the skin and I've finely chopped it. I'm just going to put that over a medium heat and let it release all its lovely oils and get some colour on. I've got some nice colour on my chorizo. I'm adding the onion. I'm going to drop the heat right down to low and just let that cook to soften the onions. After a couple of minutes, season with a little bit of salt. Helps the onions cook. Onions are lovely and soft. I'm shaving in 2 cloves of garlic. I'd love to know if you've ever seen anybody other than me use a truffle shaver. I think we need to make it a thing. It is the best piece of kitchen equipment I've ever bought. Give that a quick stir. I'm also going to add, I've got wet hands, a tiny little pinch of chili flakes. Just to boost the chorizo, I'm just putting in about 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. Listen, I don't care whether you've got sweet or smoky. Whatever, don't go out and buy any specially. Next thing to go in is I've got 160 grams of orzo pasta. I've turned the heat up. I'm going to start with 160 ml approximately. So apple cider. You want dry or medium dry, not sweet. And then I've got 300 ml of chicken stock. You want to bring that to a boil. I'm going to add about 1/2 teaspoon, about that much, of salt. You can also put some thyme in. I didn't have any thyme, so I've actually just put about 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano. I'm just bringing that to the boil. This is bubbling now. It's going to go in the oven for 10 minutes. While that's in the oven, I've got 2 really, you can see the size, really nice fat centerpieces of cod loin. This is the time to salt them so they can just have the salt on for 10 minutes. So I'm going to season them on both sides. I'm also going to add some pepper. My 10-minute timer has just gone off. For God's sake, put gloves on because that handle is really hot. I am just going to give it a little stir. And now I'm going to nestle my fish in with the orzo and put that back in the oven for 10 minutes. It looks great. This looks perfect. I'm going to leave these over the handle to remind me that the handle is hot. I'm just going to test this against my lip. It's perfect. It should be warm, just warm. Another tip for squeezing lemon, it's a lot easier to squeeze the cheek of a lemon. There's no, chances are you won't get any pips in there. So let's serve. Oh, first of all, let's sprinkle with just a little bit of parsley. A lovely squeeze of lemon over the fish and over the orzo. I just love this sort of food. Maybe a tiny bit more parsley. And there we have it. Chorizo and cod oven bake with orzo.